normal day at Titan Pharmaceutical. It was the day the FDA arrived to begin a pre-approval inspection of the company's new drug, Pulmonex. The new asthma relief product promised to chalk up big profits once the company put it on the market. That's why FDA investigator John Amberson arrived that Monday morning and why the company was in a frenzy.
It was just another day on the job for me. I didn't have any expectation about how the inspection would go. I'm John Amberson, FDA investigator, and I was there to see that things were done properly at Titan Laboratories. After all, I am the public's eyes and ears as far as the drug manufacturing industry is concerned. I must admit I was a little nervous. This was my first inspection of a new drug that was totally in my charge. I arrived just around morning break. I was led to the cafeteria to wait while the management rounded up the company representative who was to escort me through the building. It turned out to be very informative. You never know what you can pick up from conversation around you.
I saw an article on Fred Hessinger in the Post this week, and what a shame. Such a nice guy. I really like his family.
Who's Fred Hessinger?
You don't know who Fred Hessinger is? He was the CEO at Gargantua Pharma, down the road in Lower Boonton.
That Fred Hessinger? I remember. That was some scandal.
What's it been, 3 years now he's in jail?
3.5. I know his wife.
Tough luck. You know, when you okay fraudulent records to get a product released early, you take your chances. If he'd have played it straight, he'd still be making his $550,000 a year.
$750,000 a year. I know the bookkeeper.
You two are cold.
Max, I forgot to ask, how was your birthday party? Max has been around here so long, I think he remembers when they created the FDA in 1910. You were around for the sulfonilamide scandal, right, Max? What was that, 1938?
You should talk. You're older than I am. I hear you're turning 50 next month. You know, the truth is, though, I can remember when we didn't have nightmares about CGMPs.
Max remembers when the pharmaceutical industry was less strictly regulated, but a lot has happened since then. The Drug Price and Competition Patent Term Restoration Act was signed into law by President Reagan in 1984. The act provided quicker and simpler approval procedures for generic versions of drugs whose patents had expired.